Ever had a craving for some really flavorful soup, perhaps with Scotch bonnet pepper, but you don't really want to spend the time to make it? Well, along come ramen soup. They are lifesavers. When you don't have the time, you want it to be easy, you want it to be flavorful. That is, if you choose to make your own. Now, I don't use the flavor packet that comes with ramen soup. Well, I do sometimes, but as a rule, I don't. And it is so easy to use ramen soup. You boil 2 cups of water, you add the noodles. I break up the noodles because that's my desire. And then, of course, you cook it for about 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. And that's how you make ramen soup. It cannot be any easier. This time, of course, I'm using my own flavors. Broccoli, cauliflower, pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper. See that? That's it. Now, as far as the Scotch bonnet pepper is concerned, I don't use the entire thing. I cut off maybe a 1/4 inch, and what I do, I add it to the water. Remember, 2 cups of water. So I simply drop the Scotch bonnet pepper into the water. In other words, I am flavoring the water. All right? In the meantime, I chopped up everything else. The broccoli, the pepper, bell pepper, the cauliflower, chopped it all up. And once I've done that, I set my timer for about 3 minutes or so, maybe a little bit more, doesn't matter. In the meantime, while the water is boiling, I get an egg. I add an egg. In the egg, I add salt and pepper. I really don't know why I do this because I already had pepper to the water. But you see, Scotch bonnet had its own unique flavor. Then I add a little bit of milk, and then, of course, I mix them all up together. Stir them up all together because I want the egg to coat the vegetables. In a bowl, then I add my vegetables, and then I add the egg mixture, as you saw. And then in that mixture, by the way, now is a good time to add anything else you'd like to add. If you like Italian seasoning, for example, or extra onions, cayenne pepper, whatever it is you like, you add that. Now, first things first, I remove that bit of Scotch bonnet pepper because it has done its job. It flavored the water, and that's what I wanted it to do. Now, if I wanted it to be more spicy, if I wanted more spicy spice to my soup, then I would have added more Scotch bonnet pepper. Once the water boiled, of course, I added the noodles, stirring them well. And once the noodles are going, of course, all I have to do now is to wait for about 3 minutes. And then I added my vegetables that has been coated with egg. Remember that? It's sort of like an egg drop soup. You know how to make egg drop soup. But this time, have a lot of vegetables. And I got to tell you, I think I've got a winner here because the Scotch bonnet pepper flavored the water. Also, the vegetables, the pepper, cauliflower, broccoli, added that extra flavor to it. And it turned out to be really, really, really good. So, my craving to have soup, flavorful soup, that was done because my soup was finished in about, a little bit more than 3 minutes, maybe 4 or 5 minutes or so. It doesn't matter. The soup was done. It had a lot of flavor to it. It really did. All I had to do then to just let it simmer for a few minutes more, and I was ready to eat. Now, I've got to tell you, I spent very little time making this soup, and it turned out to be really, really delicious. So, there's my soup. The problem is that it doesn't have any color to it, but I don't want to add artificial colors to my soup. Okay, so I did add Cheez-It. I like Cheez-It. But there's my soup with my crunchy Cheez-It. It was delicious. Bon appetit. Don't forget to keep sending me your comments and your suggestions. Thank you so very much.